Ever wondered how deep the impact of biotechnology is on our lives? An intriguing question, isn't it? To truly understand this, we must first dive into the fascinating world of biotechnology. Biotechnology, at its core, is a science that harnesses biological processes to create technologies and products that improve our lives. It's like borrowing nature's toolbox and using it to solve problems, enhance our lives, and even make our world more sustainable. The history of biotechnology is as old as civilization itself. Early humans unknowingly applied biotechnology when they began to ferment grains to make beer or used yeast to make bread rise. This process, known as fermentation, was probably one of the first biotechnological applications, and it's still widely used today, from brewing to yogurt production. As we moved forward in time, the scientific understanding of biotechnology deepened. The 19th century brought about a significant turning point for biotechnology with the birth of the field of genetics. Gregor Mendel, a monk with a curiosity for pea plants, laid the foundation of modern genetics with his experiments. His work allowed us to understand how traits are passed from one generation to the next. Fast forward to the 20th century, the discovery of DNA's structure by James Watson and Francis Crick marked a monumental milestone in the world of biotechnology. With this discovery, we finally understood the blueprint of life, opening up endless possibilities. It was like finding the Rosetta Stone of life itself. This breakthrough led to the birth of genetic engineering, a field where scientists could modify or manipulate the genetic code of an organism. The ability to change the DNA of an organism has had far-reaching implications, from creating insulin for diabetes treatment to developing genetically modified crops that can resist pests and harsh weather conditions. So that's the dawn of biotechnology, a field that was destined to revolutionize our lives. The journey of biotechnology is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit to understand and harness the power of nature. And as we'll see, this journey is far from over. The 20th century brought about significant progress in biotechnology. A time of exploration and discovery, the last century witnessed a series of breakthroughs that revolutionized our understanding of biology and our ability to manipulate it. Firstly, let's talk about antibiotics. Prior to the 20th century, a simple bacterial infection could spell disaster, even death. But that all changed with the introduction of antibiotics. These miracle drugs discovered by Alexander Fleming in the late 1920s gave us the power to combat bacterial infections effectively. Penicillin, the first true antibiotic, opened the door to a new era of medicine that has saved countless lives. Next, we move on to vaccines, another major game changer in the world of biotechnology. While the concept of vaccines dates back further, the 20th century saw an explosion in their development and use. From the creation of the polio vaccine in the 1950s to the measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine in the 1960s, these biotechnological advancements have protected billions from devastating diseases. And finally, we arrive at one of the most monumental achievements of the 20th century, the Human Genome Project. This massive endeavor, completed in the early 2000s, aimed to map out the entire human genome. That's right, every single gene in the human body. This project has been likened to landing a man on the moon in terms of its scientific significance. It has given us unprecedented insights into our genetic makeup and has been instrumental in advancing personalized medicine, genetic testing, and gene therapy. The 20th century was a remarkable time for biotechnology. It was a period of rapid innovation and discovery that forever changed the landscape of medicine and biology. From antibiotics and vaccines to the decoding of the human genome, these breakthroughs have shaped our understanding of life itself. These breakthroughs set the stage for the incredible advancements we see in the 21st century. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of biotechnology in the next scene. Welcome to the 21st century, the golden age of biotechnology. As we delve into this era, we encounter breakthroughs that are nothing short of revolutionary. These advancements are rewriting the rulebook of what's possible, pushing the boundaries of science to new horizons. At the forefront of these breakthroughs is gene editing. Imagine being able to edit our DNA, the very blueprint of life. It sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's a reality today thanks to technologies like CRISPR. This powerful tool allows scientists to make precise changes to the DNA of living organisms, potentially curing genetic disorders, and even creating crops resistant to drought and pests. Next, we have stem cell research. Stem cells are the body's raw materials, cells from which all other cells with specialized functions are generated. Through this research, scientists have learned how to manipulate these cells to become any cell that the body needs. This could mean regenerating damaged tissues, treating neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's, or even growing organs in a lab. The potential of stem cell research is vast and continues to be explored. Lastly, let's talk about personalized medicine. This is a tailored approach to healthcare, where treatment is customized for each individual. It's like having a suit tailored to fit you perfectly, but instead of a suit, it's your healthcare. By considering a person's genes, environment, and lifestyle, personalized medicine allows for more accurate prevention strategies and treatment plans. It's a radical shift from the one-size-fits-all approach, making healthcare more precise and effective. From gene editing to stem cell research to personalized medicine, the 21st century has brought about a wave of innovations that are changing the face of biotechnology. These breakthroughs have not only expanded our understanding of life but also opened up new possibilities for treating diseases and improving human health. These advancements have brought us to the brink of a new era in medicine and health. We stand on the precipice of a future where diseases are not just treated, but prevented and cured. Welcome to the future of biotechnology. Now, what does the future hold for biotechnology? As we gaze into the crystal ball of science, we see a few potential breakthroughs that could redefine our understanding of life and how we interact with it. Imagine a world where organ transplants are not dependent on donors. This isn't science fiction, but a possible reality with the rise of organ printing. Yes, you heard right, printing organs. Biotechnology researchers are exploring the use of 3D printers to create functional human organs. By layering cells upon cells, we could potentially print a human heart, a kidney, or a liver, drastically reducing the waiting time for transplants and saving countless lives in the process. But let's not stop there. Picture the complex process of drug discovery simplified by artificial intelligence. Biotechnology is poised to leverage the power of AI to speed up the discovery and testing of new drugs. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data and identify promising compounds much faster than any human could. This accelerated process could bring life-saving drugs to market in record time, making treatments for diseases like cancer or Alzheimer's more effective and accessible. But what about the world around us? Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time, and biotechnology may hold the key to tackling it. Imagine harnessing the power of microorganisms to absorb carbon dioxide, or using genetically modified crops to withstand harsh environmental conditions. Biotechnology could give us the tools to adapt to our changing world and even reverse some of the damage done. From printing organs to leveraging AI in drug discovery to fighting climate change, the future of biotechnology is shaping up to be as thrilling as it is promising. It's a world where science fiction becomes science fact, where the lines between biology and technology blur, and where the impossible becomes possible. The future of biotechnology is indeed promising and exciting. We've traversed the timeline of biotechnology, from its inception to its promising future. Let's take a quick moment to reflect on this incredible journey we've embarked on together. We began at the dawn of biotechnology, where we saw the roots of this field sprouting in the form of selective breeding and fermentation processes, setting the stage for a revolution in understanding life at its most basic level. The 20th century saw the first steps of this revolution, with the discovery of DNA and the birth of genetic engineering, laying the groundwork for the advancements that were to come. In the 21st century, we witnessed the accelerated growth of biotechnology. This era brought us breathtaking innovations such as gene editing with CRISPR-Cas9, stem cell research, and the Human Genome Project. These breakthroughs have not only deepened our understanding of life, but also opened up new avenues in medicine, agriculture, and environmental science. We then ventured into the captivating realm of the future, where biotechnology holds immense potential. From personalized medicine tailored to our unique genetic makeup, to biofuels that could help combat climate change, the possibilities seem endless. The intersection of technology and biology is set to redefine our world in ways we can only just begin to imagine. It's important to note that with such great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible with biotechnology, it is imperative that we do so with careful consideration of the ethical implications. Biotechnology has progressed leaps and bounds, and its impact on our lives is profound. It has the potential to solve some of our most challenging problems and to fundamentally change our understanding of life itself. As we continue to explore this fascinating field, one thing is clear: the journey is far from over. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of biotechnology. If you like video content like this, please like and subscribe to Infinite Tech for more engaging tech videos.